Okay, hey guys, we're back with Pokemon Emerald, and we're gonna pause right quick. Okay, we're back, and yeah, we have our Lotad right here, Patricia, and I think we're gonna grind to level 5, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back, and Patricia learned Absorb, thank goodness. We got her to level 7, and yeah, should we get enough to take down these trainers? I think so, maybe. Poochie, that's nothing that bad. Just a good absorb. It does a decent amount. Tag. Absorb. Keep absorbing this. One more hit should do the trick. Yep, good job, Patricia. Oh, we almost gained a level from that one kill, too. 1 KO, whatever. Our eyes met. Okay, so Warble shouldn't be that bad. Oh, Lord. Oh, okay, Mike. I'm gonna switch to Blaze. Patricia still might gain a level. Well, yeah, she is gonna gain a level after this. No doubt. I actually like this better than the Soul Silver walkthroughs. Don't know why, it's just Soul Silver, it causes so much trouble with all the recorders and stuff. So I'm not really sure if I want to keep going with Soul Silver or just go with Emerald, because I love Pokemon Emerald. It is my favorite one of the games. And sorry about not pausing that. And I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. I just wanted to check something. And we have 2 berries that we can pick here. Orange berries. I'm gonna give that to my 2 Pokemon. So, orange berries. Oh, not that one. Oh, don't close the bag. Give one to her. And give one to him. There we go, in case of emergencies. You just become a trainer? Oh my god. Zigzagoon. No biggie. But it's faster than Patricia. Patricia. So. Anyways, we're gonna. Oh, we outsped it. Thank goodness. 51 experience. Payload. I think we're gonna switch. No. Because it might not know Peck. No, it doesn't know Peck yet. But Absorb is not going to do anything, so we're going to switch to Blaze. See what he can do. And of course, Taylor's going to be a bitch and grab. Oh, it did know Peck. Oh, I did not know that. But anyways. Hey, we learned Ember. Yes. I would definitely switch that out to first. And now Growl will not mess with me. Let's battle this trainer right here. I'm not sure how many minutes we're at, but pretty sure I don't have to end it anytime soon. Oh, critical hit? What? Oh well, you're gonna go down easy, no problem. Well, level 4 outsped. Oh, is okay. Level 9, good. Why did I keep on for sure? Just gonna ember this. One hit. Sorry about that, guys. And I'm gonna pick up this item right here. And we're gonna random Lotads popping out of everywhere, just trying to kill us. And we're gonna heal up and be right back. Okay, we're back. And now I'm pretty sure we walk over here. This guy tells us to go in here and talk to our dad. I think. Yeah, here he is. I see we're due for the Puna. Well, I guess you're gonna be the train. This is great news. I'll be looking forward to. Of course, Wally has to come. Wally, whatever. Faggot. He received a Ziggy. Oh my god, no way. And a Pokeball. We're gonna follow him even though we already have a Pokemon caught. and he gets lucky the first turn. He gets a level 5 Ralts. How lucky can you get? Okay, we got it in yellow now. Oh, he's gonna. Okay, why would. It makes no sense. He's gonna take his Pokemon back just to throw a Pokeball. I didn't know that you did that. But of course, he's gonna have a Ralt. And we are not gonna get a Ralt because it's not worth it. And I don't want it. I mean, if you guys say that y'all want a Ralt, I will surely get one. But if y'all don't, then I'm not gonna get one. And now we're gonna run. Oh, look at this pimp. Pimp dirty. Yeah, I wanted to. Not. We're gonna battle this person. Oh, no. No trainer. Oh. Yes, you battle us. See what you have. Yo, Zigzagoon, level 5. Not bad. Nothing to be worried about. Unless you do nothing. And I'll switch out to Blaze. Put a little ember on him. Burn him up. Oh my gosh. It did a lot more than I thought. No, we're gonna stay in for this Seedot. Don't you just love seeds that are dots? They just brighten your day. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, yeah, we just got Patricia at level 10. Nothing too extraordinary. And we're gonna pick the orange bears. But the thing is, Patricia evolves in 4 levels. And this girl, I think, has a, yeah. We're gonna switch because Patricia does no damage whatsoever. And because Blaze is about to level up to level 11. And yes, we level up to level 11. We're gonna go in this forest. Petalburg Woods. Oh, a Cascoon. Oh, forgot to do it again. Well, I'm gonna switch Blaze and Patricia out. Just because most of these guys have insects. So we're gonna get some Ember on them. Level 3, wow. No, we will not switch out. Some more Ember action. Okay guys, that's all for this episode, and later.